today, oh yeah, there it goes. We are making slime stuff.
All the stuff.
And we have paint here. And we're gonna
making
color
pink
our slime with this because we don't have any for coloring. So let's get right to it. Well, we got our glue in already. That was easy because we just had to, pop in. It's already in there for us. So let's pop and get our baking soda. Ready? Rocco, you snap. Ready, set, snap. Well, looks like we already got our baking soda in, so let's just mix. Okay, now we have colored slime. So we're gonna close our eyes and see what colors we get. No, go press the button. Okay, ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3. And there we go. Ooh, I got dark blue. Me too. You got like a mixture of light blue and dark blue.
No, I don't.
Hey, it's okay.
Yeah.
So we're mixing. Let's give you guys a closer look. So guys, look, I am mixing. And this is Rocco. His is turning out pretty good. I don't suppose it's that bad. So, let's just keep mixing.
Mix.
Yeah, mine's definitely darker than his. So now we are going to add in contact solution.
Mine's soupy. Is yours?
Oh yeah, 'cause there's no contact solution in it.
You put so much.
Oh yeah. 1 minute. Can't forget a placemat. Oof.
This is our second video.
Wow, this is very soupy.
Yeah. I think our slime turned to fail.
Spill it.
Just fill the whole bucket.
Okay, that's good.
Well, how about that?
Okay, mine's kind of coming together well. Mine's getting all over. Okay, now do this, Rocco.
Mine's all.
Now we're putting it around our
Mine's
placemat
soaked in
so that
water.
when we
Mine's soaked in water.
that
Natalie, mine's soaked in water.
okay, whatever. Just mix it.
Sorry.
So that did you fart?
No. I love the slime. The slime farted.
I'm gonna take a
Mine's
little
turning
bit
to fail.
and then work that out. So I have a huge pile of contact solution right there, and I am going to take this and put it in it. Let's see what happens.
I think I made soap. Soap. What is wrong with this? Natalie, could you help?
Nope.
Aww. Sorry, but I think mine's soap. Soup. No, I think it's soap. I think I made a slime smelled soup. A very weird kind.
You said soup.
I mean soap. Do I need some more of anything?
Mine is a pure mess. Stop it. Whoops.
Mine's like a soap.
Okay,
We could use this for soap.
oh my gosh, Rocco, stop.
It smells a little bad, not good. Nice.
This is like not working at all. Ew.
Mine's
It's not a fail
working.
yet.
You just need so much of
I
that.
don't know. I just don't know what else to do.
Me and Natalie at the same time. Me and Natalie probably are the same. So you just put your finger in. Hold
So
on, let
I'm
me
doing, oh
mix.
wow, mine's really coming along now.
Mine's not coming together, but I'll do what Natalie's doing. Put some on my hands. Take it out. Now put it here. We'll definitely have to clean it.
Don't want this huge mess.
Hold on a second, alright?
Hmm.
No, you can't make that long of a video. It will never upload.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Alright, whatever.
Now that's our slime.
No, it's not done.
It's not done, but we have to end it because
No, we don't. Just stop.
Mine's not
Okay, now
coming
I'm
together.
gonna mix with the spoon.
No, mine's so messy. I think mine's a fail.
What? Add more contact solution.
No,
Just do it.
I'm not. I think mine's a fail. I'm not gonna add any more.
I won because I added a lot more, and look at mine now. It's perfectly fine.
I don't want to. I think I added too much. Okay, sorry, so.
Fine. Then you have to, first of all, wipe up your mess.
Oh, I have a big mess.
And
Oopsie doopsie.
give them a close up on me. Let's do this thing. Never mind Tim. He has a huge mess. I should probably turn this. Paint. This is what I've been doing. So yeah.
What was that? The German surface way. It's a lot of freaking points for a way.
I'm gonna clean up my mess. This is taking so long.
Cleaning up my mess.
Hey guys, I'm adding more. Oh yeah, by the way, this is our second video.
Yeah, I said that.
No, that's okay, that's okay.
Not too bad.
Oh yeah, all the contact solution is like
In our other video, we showed our mansion like thing. So
you would love it.
oh my gosh, this is so like messy.
Well, thank you for watching.
Rocco, it's not ending.
Joking. Yeah, you probably wanted more, and we didn't want to end it.
Oh my
Oh
gosh,
my,
I'm
this is
in
an
a huge
8-minute
mess.
video. This is going to take forever to load now. Oh, all the water from this. Then I need to dry it off. Now I need to dry it off.
This is a pure mess. We'll be right back when we're all clean. Bada bing, bada boom, we're all cleaned up.
Yeah.
Well, that's it for this video. We hope you guys enjoyed it. Please subscribe and hit that notifications button.